Some of the most striking parts of this would be the fact that you're sitting on this coastline and you're almost the only ones there. You can come to these places and just admire the pure beauty of it.
I guide on the Kangaroo Island Signature Walk. We're lucky enough to stay at the Cape de Coodie lighthouse keepers' cottages, and I think that's one of the highlights is the accommodation. We can spend 3 nights there pretending we're the lighthouse keepers and trying to imagine what it would have been like to live there 120 years ago.
So I'm on the trip with my partner, and I came on the trip not knowing anybody else. It's been really good to have a blend of different people.
Being able to disconnect is a huge part of this walk. Not many moments in my life do I take the time to properly disconnect from my phone.
You sort of get a reset. You're taken out of your regular world and put into something new and engaging and stimulating.